All right, we're back. Today's a good day. So, first off, thanks for tuning in. We're going to do today's recap. I'll tell you what's going on and how we did today. And I'm pretty happy with today's progress. And just to give everybody a little background here, this is my day trading channel. I do recaps every day I'm in the market. And recently, I actually did not do a video yesterday in regards to I've been sick for last few days and just getting over that now. Sure you can tell. Throat's a little dry right now, but anyways, we're gonna recap here and show you how we did today. So today was really great. I'm up. Well, it could be bigger, but anyways, I'm up $681 today, which is a pretty decent day for me. And yesterday, just to update you guys, I made, what was it, 400 something. So 2 good days back to back, and I'm really happy with that. And that goes to show that there are some opportunities in the market right now, small caps, and I was able to capitalize on it. And I do want to say, I want to pat myself on the back, because today I was 100% accurate. Now, that's not always the case, that's for sure. And today I managed to make every single trade a green trade, which is quite incredible. So very, very happy with that. It's still, it's a pretty good number. Wish it was a little bit bigger. But anyways, let's just dive into the recap here. I'll show you kind of my progress, what happened, and we'll go from there. So here we go. Let's take a look at it. Today's performance. I never went red. I was never red at any point. And first trade of the day, up $100. So great way to start. And I just continued that all the way through. So, I was patient. I did miss some opportunities. And I think you're just going to. That's just how it happens. And as you get better as a trader, I think, you can hone in a little bit. Hone in better on that a little bit more, but that's just the fact is you're gonna miss plenty of opportunity when you're trading. So here we are, from 107 all the way up to 681, and I only traded one stock, which was MEDS. This thing was a pretty big monster today. I think it was up like 150%, somewhere in there, maybe 130% at its highs, maybe a little bit more. But anyways, this thing just had an incredible move today. So yeah, this is the one I honed in on. Now I do want to say, I wish I don't have my other chart up, but there was another stock, I think it was ORPH. Is this it? Yes. I think this was the one. Yeah, this was, okay, yeah. Then look how ridiculous this is. Up 980%, and that's after hours. So it made a gain today that was over 1,000%. That's just absolutely absurd. And I don't know what to tell you on this, because, I've mentioned before in the past, I don't like trading these halt stocks where, look at today. No volume today at all, anywhere. All morning, nothing. There was like no trades made on this thing. Absolutely crazy. It's someone starts making a trade. This might have been, this might be classified as a pump and dump. We'll see tomorrow, but it's definitely gone up and come down at least a little bit at this point. Maybe might go up tomorrow, but eventually, probably go right back to where it was trading at. And so anyways, this thing, absolute monster. The problem with these halt stocks is that they're difficult to get into. You have to throw in an order, practically a market order, to get filled. So you're throwing your money in the hat and hoping you get filled at some point, and hopefully it's early enough on. And as I watched this thing go in, I was tempted to get in, but at the same time, I knew chances of me getting in at some point in here, you know, and then what might happen is that it starts halting, going down, and from there you can't. It's hard to get out of it. Once again, you gotta sound out a market order, try to get filled on it. So, you know, there's definitely a huge chance to make some big money on this. And props to you if you made some money. I want to hear from you guys. I want to find out if you guys traded this one today, and if you made some big money, or where you sit on this. But also the problem is that you're locked in. I mean, look, sorry, it's been bad. Or a bad cough. Look how much you dropped off here. So really bad. What was this trade? Look, 56 to 25. You're kidding me. I mean, it's such a risky play. And the other problem is that you're trapped in it for extended periods of time. It's not like you can easily get in, get out. It's you're trapped in it, and now you've you know, you're suckered into I mean, what do you do when you're in here? You're thinking, oh, I'm gonna buy the pullback. You buy it, and it opens up an hour later, and you've just lost all your money. I mean, it's crazy. So, but maybe some of you made some huge money on this. Please let me know if you did. That'd be incredible, and props to you if you put some big green on it. So I'll probably have to cut this video short. I'm sorry. MEDS. So this is what I traded today. Traded it quite a bunch. Did miss a couple different opportunities, but in here I was kind of waiting for it to kind of break out of this zone. Eventually did, and had a huge rip up, and I got in bits and pieces. I did trade it earlier too, but little bits and pieces. And right here, missed part of this move, but got in and still able to make a little bit of money on it. You know, I wish I would have had my share size a little bit bigger on this one, because I'd be up a lot more today. But hindsight's 20/20, right? And you know, right here, I kind of thought this might be maybe possibly the end of it. It came up and peaked, and thinking, okay, it's pulling back now pretty hard. And it stabilized, recovered, and went for a huge another run. So very impressive, very, very impressive. And it just kept going. I mean, it would consolidate, opportunity to get in, and reach its high. So anyways, guys, that's it. My throat's killing. I gotta go here. But great day on MEDS, and I stopped trading right in here, right when I was just going downhill. Call it quits. Very happy with the performance today, but that's it. Take care. See you on the next one. Hopefully my throat is not this bad tomorrow. Adios.